Welcome to Snap Talk. I'm Max. How are you today? I hope you're great. Today, I have a special guest. Her name is Nina. Nina is from Australia. She's a photographer. And today, we're going to talk about hobbies. Hobbies, the things you like to do. This episode is for beginners. Easy English. Simple words. You can understand everything. I promise. Are you ready? Let's go. Nina, welcome to Snap Talk.
Hi, Max. Thank you. I'm happy to be here.
She's happy to be here. Nice. Nina, my first question. What do you like to do?
Oh, I like many things. I like to take photos. I like to walk on the beach. And I like to read books.
Wow. She likes a lot of things. Like, let me explain. When you like something, it makes you happy. For example, I like coffee. I like my dog. Easy, right? Repeat with me. Like. Great. So Nina, you like photos. You like the beach. You like books. That's 3 things.
Yes, Max. 3 things and more.
And more, of course. Okay, next question. Do you have a hobby?
Yes. My hobby is photography. I take photos every day.
Photography. Her hobby is photography. Hobby. New word. A hobby is something you do for fun. Not for work. Just for fun. For example, my hobby is music. I play guitar. Repeat with me. Hobby. Perfect. So Nina, photography is your hobby. But wait, you're a photographer. That's your job, right?
Yes. It's my job and my hobby. I'm very lucky.
Lucky. She's lucky. Her job is her hobby. That's amazing, Nina.
Thank you, Max.
Picture this. Nina is at the beach. The sun is bright. She has her camera. Click. Click. She takes photos. That's her hobby. And her job. All right, quick break. I want to hear from you. I have 2 questions. Question 1. What do you like to do? Maybe you like to cook. Maybe you like to dance. Maybe you like to sleep. That's okay too. Question 2. Do you have a hobby? Music? Sports? Books? Tell me. Write your answer in the comments. I read everyone. Okay, back to Nina. Okay, Nina, next question. What do you do in your free time?
In my free time, I go to the beach. I love the ocean.
The beach. She goes to the beach in her free time. Free time. Another new word. Free time is when you don't work. No job. No school. Just you. For example, Saturday is my free time. Sunday too. Repeat with me. Free time. Excellent. So Nina, in your free time, you go to the beach. Do you go alone?
Sometimes alone, sometimes with friends. It depends.
Sometimes alone, sometimes with friends. Nice. And what else do you do for fun?
I like to surf. Surfing is so much fun.
Surf. She likes to surf. That's very Australian. Fun. New word. Fun means you feel happy. You enjoy it. You smile. For example, parties are fun. Games are fun. This podcast is fun, right? Repeat with me. Fun. Awesome. So Nina, surfing is fun for you. Is it hard?
At first, yes. Very hard. But now it's easy and fun.
At first hard, now easy. Like English, right?
Yes, exactly like English.
Picture this. Nina is in the water. The sun is hot. She's on her surfboard. A big wave comes. She stands up. She surfs. So much fun. Nina, one more question. What's your favorite thing to do?
My favorite thing, taking photos at sunset. It's beautiful. It's quiet. It makes me happy.
Photos at sunset. Beautiful. Quiet. Happy. Wow, Nina, that's perfect.
Thank you, Max.
Before we go, I have 2 more questions for you. Question 1. What's your favorite hobby? Reading? Cooking? Sports? Tell me. Question 2. What do you do for fun on weekends? Movies? Friends? The park? I want to know. Drop your answers in the comments. I love reading them. Wow, you did great today. Let's review. Today you learned 4 new words. Number 1. Like. I like pizza. You like music. Easy. Number 2. Hobby. My hobby is reading. Nina's hobby is photography. Number 3. Free time. In my free time, I watch movies. Number 4. Fun. Parties are fun. English is fun too. Amazing job. 4 new words. You're learning so fast. Nina, thank you so much for being here.
Thanks, Max. This was so much fun. See you soon.
So much fun. She used the word. Nice, Nina. And thank you for listening. If you understood this episode, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment. I read every comment. And subscribe for more easy English. This is Snap English. Fast, fun, fluent. See you next time.